excuse me, almost an interception. Yes, completed as we'll finish this first.
Galinato on the run. Look at the big man go.
When you were talking about Monson, yung parang nagkaroon ng kumpiyansa sa kanyang coach. He didn't start very well with Northport. Pero given time, nagkaroon ng kumpiyansa. And they found out that napupunta ako nga.
Ang pambansang siko. As Contapay lights it up.
Well, he also covered him when he was with San Pedro, especially in the league.
Will reset with a fresh 14. Ronde took the hit.
That's going to come.
Coast glass, three-point play opportunity.
Galing niya sa ganito. Tapos still managed to hold his... Kaya nga Kobe di ba? Ganun siya.
They go up top, Don Wabere. What a location mula kay you.
Perfect timing on the alley-oop. Second personal foul ni Orwella. Pero wala kang magagawa. Umikot ang
TPL, libre yan. Largest lead of the game na tayo at 8. Bulanati makes it 11.
Medyo ayun. Steal na naman yun, which resulted in a three-point shot, no?
Northport already with
si Monson, no? Go!
Pabitin ni Ronde!
Delikadong foul yun, nasa ilalim yun. Baka pag-usapan nila yun. Kasi pumunta sa ilalim.
Tolentino has Oftana in front of him. Arvin puts it up and in. Finally breaks the silence para sa Batavia.
Pag may problema, who do you go to? The Ghostbuster. Pero you know, as a defensive team, kung nakita mong may run kayo, you're not gonna let him isolate against Oftana on one-on-one. You're gonna get 32 now, so they've only scored 6 points.
Oftana lights it up.
Biglang 8 na lamang dito ng Tropang Liga. They're coming back with a vengeance.
Wide open. No! Galinato! Yes!
What a helpful day for Galinato. What a helpful opportunity given him because of the absence of their big man.
Monson with a steal! Monson being chased! Monson all the way!
Double figures na. Getting better and better to si Monson. He just knows what he's good at and he does it well.
11 points, a rebound, an assist, and now 2 steals. Officially. Tignan natin kung makakapag-provide. Oh, and one for Kadim.
Gagawin ko talaga yun. This is my advantage when I go to him. First of all, alam mo, bilang na bilang lang ang big man ng TNT available.
Stop and pop 3.
Yes.
Fran Yu delivers the goods. What a hit mula dito kay Yu. A steal and a 3. And he
perfect.
Tolentino to Jack. Took the contact and won.
Puro Jack na naririnig mo dito sa third quarter. Because I'm sure that when you go in the locker room, hindi naman ako nagpupunta doon. Nasa kabilang ano yun, building.
Nelly from the corner, all night.
Yes, sir. Last shot. Mabigat talaga yung si Evan.
Oh, and Ronde is shaken up there. And now he is asking for a sub. Kadim could not catch it. Ronde, kala ko ba nagpapasab na? Binigay kay Pugoy. Touchdown, TNT! Partida, Dok, nagpapasab yun ha. Nasaktan kanina lang. Pero pumapasa pa si Ronde ng gano'n.
Wala, takbo lang ng takbo. Kabutin!
Another one! What an exchange in this fourth and final frame.
Pag nanalo TNT dito, mahirap na minsan kayo kabutin.
Trying to look for that angle. He attacks himself. Arvin puts it up and in.
Bakit galing talaga ni Tolentino sa ganyan? 97-94, 3-point lead.
15 points, 9 rebounds, 6 assists para kay Tolentino. Naipit. Monson with a steal. Monson against Pugoy. Northport takes back the lead.
Iba talaga yung mga anticipation ni Monson. Basta't pumasok ka dyan sa loob at pumasa ka palabas, malamang sundot na niya yun. Nakakailan steal na ba yun?
Third official steal para kay Monson.
tuloy sa kampyonato. Sama-sama tayo, manlalaro at afisyonado.